In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best onion choppers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the onion choppers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the onion choppers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Manual Lemon Grater Vegetable Slicer. This manual lemon grater and vegetable slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify your food preparation process. With a built-in basket, it allows you to grate lemons and slice vegetables like potatoes and carrots efficiently. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the sharp blades offer precise cuts. Ideal for slicing, chopping, and grating various fruits and vegetables, this tool is perfect for those who love cooking healthy meals quickly. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and it can be used to prepare salads, garnishes, or even ingredients for stir-fries with ease. Number 4, Manual Lemon Grater Vegetable Slicer. This manual lemon grater and vegetable slicer is an all-in-one kitchen gadget that helps you with slicing and chopping tasks. Equipped with a basket for easy collection, it is suitable for cutting potatoes, carrots, and other fruits and vegetables. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, and the durable stainless steel blades provide accurate, consistent cuts. This slicer is a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who want to save time on food prep. Whether grating citrus fruits or chopping veggies, this tool simplifies your daily cooking routine. Number 3, Multifunction Kitchen Slicer Vegetable Cutter. The Multifunction Kitchen Slicer is a highly versatile tool designed to cut and chop vegetables with ease. It features sharp, stainless steel blades that make slicing onions, garlic, carrots, and potatoes a breeze. With its multi-purpose functionality, this kitchen slicer can be used for grating, chopping, and shredding a variety of foods. Its user-friendly design ensures safety and ease of use, while its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen setup. Perfect for preparing salads, garnishes, or meal ingredients quickly, this tool is essential for home cooks looking to save time. Number 2, 12-20 seconds in 1 Multifunctional Vegetable Chopper. This multifunctional vegetable chopper offers 12 or 22 interchangeable blades, allowing you to slice, grate, shred, and chop fruits and vegetables effortlessly. From onions and garlic to carrots and potatoes, this tool ensures quick and efficient food prep. The durable construction and sharp blades make cutting a variety of foods simple, and the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Whether you're making salads, stir-fries, or garnishes, this kitchen gadget speeds up the preparation process, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Number 1, LMETJMA Adjustable Mandoline Slicer. The LMETJMA Adjustable Mandoline Slicer is a premium kitchen tool with 18 different slicing options, perfect for achieving precise cuts. Made from stainless steel, this slicer is designed for long-lasting performance, and its adjustable settings allow you to julienne, grate, or slice onions, potatoes, and more. Ideal for professional chefs and home cooks alike, it offers the flexibility to customize the thickness of your cuts, ensuring perfect results every time. This mandoline slicer is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their food presentation and simplify meal prep.